All right, 14. Here we go. These are all words from the two texts about the wind farms. So sort of the persuasive essays, 1 for, 1 against. So the first word is benefit. You might have heard the word benefit before. It is a multiple meaning word. In this story, it is used as meaning anything that does someone good or gives an advantage. So it is to your benefit to get a college education. It does you good. It gives you an advantage. At least most of the time. In the text, it says a wind turbine farm would be a great benefit to the town. So, brings good things. That was the one side opinion, is that it would be a benefit. Now, that is an opinion, and they give reasons why, but it is still an opinion. Maintaining means taking care of, keeping in good condition. So, different form of it in the first sentence. Many gardeners are needed to maintain the park. They are maintaining the park. Since it's a verb, we can put it in different forms, different tenses. In the text, it's used more along the lines of building and maintaining the wind farms creates jobs. So, again, I modified it. I shortened it a little bit. But maintaining the wind farms, taking care of, keeping it in good condition. That's what maintaining means. And people would have to do that. So that's how it would create jobs. Conventional. Conventional is like traditional, which is put in place by people using it, by different customs. So it's just sort of how things are, conventional. So, for example, shaking hands is a conventional way of greeting another. Or conventional sources of energy can create pollution, like burning coal, burning gas, things like that. Those are more conventional. Those are traditional. That's what we usually do. But those can create pollution. So that was supporting, again, that first text idea that wind farms are a good idea because they don't create pollution. They are less conventional. They are unconventional, one could say. They are not traditional. And they don't create pollution. Reconsider. Reconsider. Remember, means again. So to consider again. Means to have a change of attitude and reverse a decision or choice. So it's like you think about it again, you consider it again, and you change your mind. So I've reconsidered my decision to quit school, so now I'm staying. It would be one way to use it in the past tense with the ed. Another sentence, perhaps when it's safer, we can reconsider. So that was in that second text talking about how let's wait to bring wind farms until it's safer. If it's safer, then we can think about it again and have perhaps a change of attitude. Resistant. Resistant means giving resistance, which is the opposing power of one force against another. So it means like you're resisting that force. You're opposing it. You're going against it. In that second text says, I don't like wind turbines, but it's not because I'm resistant to new technology. So they're saying it's not because they're against it. They just had other reasons why they didn't think it was a good idea. Or the people were resistant against the invaders. There was that opposing force against it. I know I'm going quick, so if you need more explanation, feel free to look it up or ask. But I do want to make the video not too long, so that's why I'm moving quick. Peaceful. You've probably heard this. Full of peace, quiet, calm. So tourists come to see our peaceful scenery. The one text they talked about not wanting to have it disrupted by the wind turbines because people come for the quiet, calm scenery. The sleeping baby looked peaceful. So looked quiet, looked calm. Practical means useful. She needs to come up with a more practical solution. Or they needed a practical solution to the problem of the neighbor's vicious dog. So the first sentence talking about a more practical solution than the wind farms. again, useful, a useful solution. Both of them being solutions, which fits with what we're talking about, problem and solution. Last word is source, the start or cause of something. So wind has been used as a source of power for centuries. So in that first text talking about how it's been around for a long time, it's caused power, it started power, it's been where it came from. The source of my joy was the time I spent with my friends. So where it came from, the start of it, the cause of it. All right. Again, ask if you need more explanation or help. Remember to use these words in your own sentences on your exit slip. Good luck.